Technology has incredible power and incredible promise. But with promise and with power comes responsibility. And so the first thing I want to talk about before we get into how do we make tech for good a reality is how do we use that power responsibly. And so at Mastercard, and I think it's true wherever you are, you have to have principles, strong principles that infuse ethics and governance in whatever you do. Integrity, we've heard a lot about that today. And so we have 5 governing principles before we even get out of the gate on anything. The first, inclusion by design. You can't think about accessibility after the fact. You have to build for accessibility. Who's your audience? Who's your community? Build with them in mind. The second, security. As I said, technology is powerful. You need to know that your devices are going to be protected from threats and protect you from harm. That's the second principle. The third is all about data. How much data is making its way around? You have to have agency and be able to control your data. It's in your hands. Not in the makers of that technology, not in those that profit from those technologies, in your hands. The fourth is about eliminating bias. Lots of use of AI, that's amazing, they're powerful tools, but you gotta create a level playing field. How do you work to eliminate or minimize bias in technologies as opposed to just propagating it? And then the last is innovate for impact. Make sure that you are reaching the communities in the broadest sense of the word out there. Don't make it excluding. Inclusivity. So those are 5 principles. Start with those 5 principles wherever you are, whatever you do. That's foundational.